Hi, I thought I'd do a little introduction. For those of you who've been following our blog, the charter years have now come to an end and we bought our boat. So the idea being is that we're going to sail around the UK for the next couple of years, and then who knows. In a few weeks I'll do a walkthrough of our new home, but for now this is the naming ceremony. I hope you enjoy.
O mighty and great ruler of the seas and oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage, imploring you your graciousness to expunge for all time from your records and recollection the name Azura Bell and Northern Light, which was ceased to be an entity in your kingdom. As proof thereof, we submit this ingot bearing her name to be corrupted through your powers and forever be purged from the sea.
That was ceremoniously plopped.
In grateful acknowledgement of your munificence and dispensation, we offer these libations to your majesty and your court. Okay, it says half a bottle, but I'm, Okay, so renaming ceremony. O mighty and great ruler of the seas and oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage, imploring you in your graciousness to take unto your records and recollection this worthy vessel, hereafter and for all time known as Lowena. Guarding her with your mighty arm and trident and ensuring her of safe and rapid passage throughout her journeys within your realm. In appreciation of your munificence, dispensation, in honour of your greatness, we offer these libations to your majesty and your court. I need to pour one glass here. One glass for the mate.
That'd be me.
That'll be you today.
Outstanding.
Sorry. Sorry. So, in appreciation of your munificence, dispensation, in honour of your greatness, we offer these libations to your majesty and your court. We are renamed.
We are renamed.
But I have to now appease the god of the winds. Okay, so I'm going to open another bottle of champagne. So, O mighty rulers of the winds, through whose power our frail vessels traverse the wild and faceless deep, we implore you to grant this worthy vessel, Lowena, the benefits and pleasures of your bounty, ensuring us of your gentle administration according to our needs. Oh! Great Boreas. Sorry! It had to be the wood, Chris. Exalted ruler of the north wind, grant us permission to use your mighty powers in the pursuit of our lawful endeavours, ever sparing us the overwhelming scourge of your frigid breath.